Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today I'm going to teach you a very simple training strategy called open high, open low with previous day high and previous day low. Now, if you see this current construction of the chart for today, which is 12th, the market opened above the pivot, okay, tried going and took a resistance at previous day high, and then it continuously fall near the previous day low. So what people do is they will go ahead and take a trade on previous day high or previous day low. Now, how will they do this? Let's try to understand. So they will go over here and they will use these long and short positions. So let's say when we know the previous day high could not be breached, they'll take a short position. They'll put their cursor here and they'll take a target. If nothing, then 1:3. Like this. Means if they want, they will put a stop loss here somewhere around, not exactly here, but above this, around 3, around 100 points. And then they will trade. So if the market goes from this candle upside, then they know their stop loss is here. And if the trade continues in the direction it is, they will book their profits here. So this is a simple strategy where they will do previous day high and short it because the market started going down by taking the resistance. With this, they will also use RSI. So if you see over here, I have clicked on RSI. Once the RSI goes below, it will follow a downtrend. One more thing to observe over here is the RSI had given a divergence, while the RSI did not give a divergence here. So if you see this carefully, there are two kind of techniques used over here. The first technique is previous day high, and along with that, they took a previous day divergence. So the highs and the highs matched, but the RSI high did not match, indicating that it is going down. This is a very simple strategy to go ahead for shorting. Now let's see another one. At previous day low, if you see market took support over here, but the RSI is not up. So once the RSI comes here, that is above 50, they will enter the trade. How will they do that? They will take a long position. RSI went 50 up here. Again, 1:3. 100 points stop loss and a 30 point, 100 point over here. Now I'm showing you this in the live market. Even if you had taken a 1:2 ratio trade, you would have achieved it easily over here. See. So this is how RSI at previous day high, previous day low can be achieved. This also can be done in stocks and one can do intraday trading. I'm showing you this in Bank Nifty. Hope this helps. This is one of the simplest intraday strategy. People use it a lot. If you like it, please share your comments. And if you need more information on this, I'll be more than happy to share. Thank you so much. Happy to help.